Well, a pleasant good afternoon and a warm welcome to the US-based Focus on Liberia online television network. Theo Williams is my name, and we are beaming live and direct from Painesville. We are currently at Zone 5, and we got an intel that this container full of rice was arrested by members of the Liberia National Police, somewhere around the Pueblo community, and it was brought here. As you can see, the truck is being offloaded as we speak, and it's been taken into the headquarters of the Liberia National Police Zone 5. And so, according to what we've gathered so far, this truck was arrested during the early morning hours in the Pueblo community. And so we've come again as an institution to provide you coverage of this. And so welcome. As you can see, this place is already charged. You have scores of Liberians here standing by to witness what is currently unfolding. And so with these kinds of situations, it puts the country in a very difficult position or situation. The issue of rice has been a major one for weeks now. Alleged shortage of rice on the Liberian market. And interestingly, you have this container 4 was arrested by the LMP this morning. I don't know where they were taking this container full of rice in the midst of the alarming shortage of rice in the country. This was arrested during the early morning hours in the Pueblo community, just in Painesville. And we thought to just go live to bring you what is unfolding currently at Zone 5 here in Painesville, outside Monrovia. My name is Theo Williams. You're watching the US-based Focus on Liberia online television network. And all of you who are coming on, we'd love to say welcome. Thanks for being with us. And from just wherever you are joining us, whatever you're doing at the moment, stay with us as we are just right here witnessing this live event. And so the truck is being offloaded, almost finished. They are taking it into the headquarters of the Liberia National Police, Zone 5 specifically. And so somebody wants to know why this truck was arrested and where were they taking the huge quantity of rice that has been uploaded currently as we speak. As you can see, it's the purple rice. Just wanted, let me just, all right, the purple rice, Powerball rice, 100% broken. And so, as you can see, it was arrested by the Liberia National Police. And so this is the current situation in country, folks, amidst the reported shortage in the nation's staple, rice. This truck was arrested earlier today in the Pueblo community by the Liberia National Police. We want to make attempts to speak with the authorities here, but they are telling us they cannot speak officially, except that the official spokesperson of the Liberia National Police will have to do this. We just thought to go live so that you can have a clear glimpse of what is unfolding here currently as we speak. And so this is the situation. This truck was arrested earlier today in the Pueblan community. And on this truck was several bags of rice that was just been uploaded minutes ago and taken into the LMP Zone 5. And so we stay here just to allow you to have a glimpse of this truck that was carrying the huge quantity of rice. I don't know where, but let me just allow you to have a glimpse of it. This is the truck. And we are here on top of the situation. The government of Liberia announced minutes ago at a press conference that has just ended at the Ministry of Information, Culture Affairs and Tourism that the current stock of rice in the country can serve the population until the new shipping arrives in the country in the coming days. And so this is the situation, folks. Liberians are buying rice at a very exorbitant price all across Monrovia and its environs. And this should talk about the rural parts of the country. If this is happening in Monrovia, what about other parts of the country? And so the situation is becoming very serious in the country. But as God could have it, this truck was arrested today by the Liberia National Police. We can speak of them because they are telling us they are not clogged with the authority. They are not clogged with the authority to speak officially. And so we will just bring you a highlight in the next few minutes. Then following that, we'll do some follow-ups at the Liberia National Police headquarters to bring you the details surrounding this particular truck that was arrested earlier today by the Liberia National Police. It's currently parked at the Police Zone 5 base here in Painesville. And so this is the current situation. We are on top of it. Stay with us as you continue to watch the US-based Focus on Liberia online television. My name is Theo Williams. We are across making sure to have you adequately informed as the news unfolds. And so, as you can see, you have several bystanders. You have several bystanders here who have come to witness what is happening here currently. We are in Painesville, folks. Just a stone throw away from the Painesville Town Hall. And not too far from other areas here in Painesville. And so, stay with us. You are watching the US-based Focus on Liberia online television. The issue of rice is becoming very serious in this country. We don't know what is going on. Whether the current shortage is artificial, we don't know. Whether it is real, we don't know. But as a media institution, we are doing all we can to independently verify or investigate the current shortage of the nation's staple. And so my name is Theo Williams. Welcome. And thanks for joining us. We want to see whether we can talk to a few bystanders, if that is possible. Let me try to make my way on the other side of this.
Yes, we're ready. Our Jerry we get money to buy the rent. We stay there, we not everybody get our money, but what to do? Not everybody get our money. Not everybody get our money. So people don't go get a share of 1 to 6 to feed. But right now you buy rent for $120. You have to afford to buy, take over rent so you get almost 7 children to eat. Why will you get it for? Before you go to the soup. Yeah. But people that say one president doing the contract, you gotta say, who won't rest? Yeah, do something about it, they rest, they rest, we're back, walking to the contract for them, still rest, they're starting again. They're starting a still rest, we're rest for them, and so for us, we in a so we get careful. We are our genocide. We are our own country, we want to be our food.
And so, folks, there you have it. Voices of some angry Liberians regarding the issue of rights in the country. We are still here at Zone 5 in Painesville. Oh, you want to buy rice? You want to buy some of the rice, right?
So now we can't understand the president, we can't understand the minister, president, nobody can understand.
And so, folks, there you have it. Liberians are saying they want rice. And so we're still here at Zone 5 in Painesville, the sub-depot of the Liberia National Police, where a truck full of rice was arrested from some part of our Pueblo community earlier today. And so we are just on top of it. So we can speak to the authorities here because they are telling us they are not clogged with the responsibility officially to make a statement. So we want to actually investigate how this truck was arrested and the quantity of rice it was carrying and other things associated. But in the meantime, between time, we are still here at the moment, making sure to just pick up all of the happenings from this police depot in Painesville. Welcome, my name is Theo Williams, and you're watching the US-based Focus on Liberia Online Television Network. From wherever you are, whatever you're doing at the moment, we'd love to say welcome. And we are on an obligation to elevate, educate, and promote all things Liberia as part of our corporate social responsibility as a media institution. And so stay with us as we provide this coverage. We will do sufficient follow-ups in the coming days as far as this rice crisis is concerned in our country. And so we are still here at the moment. And so welcome. from wherever you are joining us, whatever you're doing. This is the US-based Focus on Liberia Online Television Network. And so, folks, it appears like it's all over here at the moment. Like I told you, we'll do a follow-up on the arrest of this identical truck. We'll do a follow-up with the official, the Liberia National Police headquarters in Central Monrovia. And I'm sure the official spokesperson will make some pronouncement about this situation before the day comes to an end, or perhaps in the coming days. You can trust that we will surely follow up on that and other developments across Monrovia regarding the issue of rights in the country. And so, like I told you earlier on, a few minutes ago, there was a press conference at the Ministry of Information, Cultural Affairs and Tourism, where the Deputy Information Minister for Press and Public Affairs, in presence of Jalawa Tompo, addressed members of the press saying that currently the stock of rice in the country can set the population until additional shipments can arrive in the country in the coming days. And so the question now is, if that is the case, what's happening? It's becoming difficult by the day for Liberians to get their staple food rice. And so that remains the biggest question. But unfortunately, members of the press were unable to pose some questions to Liberia's Deputy Information Minister for Press and Public Affairs. Following that press conference, folks, we got a tip-off about this truck that was being arrested minutes ago or a few hours ago in Puebla by the Liberia National Police. And so we managed to make our way here swiftly just to capture what is happening. And so we want to leave it at this point, but I can assure you we will do all of the follow-ups and bring you up to speed, have you adequately informed about the issue of rights in our country. And so you can rely on us as to do our best to cut across and bring you all of the happenings. And so let me leave it at this point. Thank you very kindly for being with us. Thanks to all of you who have been with us. Continue to follow Focus on Liberia Online Television for the very best in terms of accurate, balanced, and credible news and information. News about Liberia, Africa, and the rest of the world. I'd love to say thanks to our hard-working CEO, Dennis Jah, who is in Atlanta, Georgia, the U.S. Thanks to Head of Operations, Anthony C. And thanks to all members of the Focus on Liberia crew across the world. For and on behalf of the team, Tia Williams is my name. Thanking you ever so much from Painesville, Zone 5, Liberia National Police. Until then, do have yourselves a wonderful day.